Welcome to all of you on the grammar day, and today what the topic I have chosen for you, that is called the verb. Okay, verb. As you all know, the verb is the most important part of speech. Okay, you know all the parts of speech. How many parts of speech? Any idea?
Yeah.
Eight.
Okay, can you name them? Can you name them?
Noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, verb.
Preposition,
Prepositions, very good.
conjunction,
And
interjection.
interjection. Sometimes nowadays we also introduce the determiners. Determiners also the parts of speech.
Right.
Right. So these are all the parts of speech. Samir, why the parts of speech is important? Why should you should have the good knowledge of parts of speech?
To make a
Parts of
sentence.
which
Yes, to make the
make
Make the
sentence,
to make the
grammar.
sentence in a more meaningful way. To
Yeah,
make the sentence in a correct way. To make the sentence in a more polished way. Then you should have the good knowledge of parts of speech. Okay, right? But today's question is, which is the most important part of speech?
Verb.
Verb. Verb is the most important part of speech. Why the verb is called the most important part of speech?
Because it is an action word.
Only the action. Only the actions, verbs. Priyamda, would you like to share your inputs? Why the verb is called the most important part of speech?
Shows the action as well as the priority of noun and adverb also.
नहीं, अगर देखो, why we are saying it is the most important. हाँ.
Because it connects all the tenses and noun.
Okay. Very nice.
Maybe it tells the time of our.
We can say the.
Word tell us about the time. Where at which time action has performed.
Okay.
Which was showing the feeling, exciting, existing, and doing what we are actually doing forward.
Because simple. Although you are right, but the simple answer is why the verb is called the most important part of speech, because we consider the verb as a hero of the sentence. We consider the verb as a hero of the sentence. Now, why we consider the verb as a hero of the sentence? Because this is the only part of speech that is called the verb. Without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. Without verb, बिना verb के हम कोई भी sentence नहीं बना सकते. Without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. Without noun, we can frame a sentence. Without pronoun, we can frame a sentence. Without preposition, we can frame a sentence. But without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. So that's why the verb is the most important part of speech. ठीक है? जैसे for example, I like her. I like her. In this sentence, what is I? What is I?
Subject.
No,
Subject.
okay. I am reframing my question. What part of speech I is?
The
I.
Adjective. Pronoun.
Pronoun. I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun.
I is a pronoun.
What is
Like
like?
is an adjective.
I.
Like is an adjective.
Surangana, like is an verb. Like is a verb.
अच्छा, I am है ना madam? I am like.
नहीं, I like her. Simple sentence है, I like her.
Okay. Yes.
What is her? What
Like
is her? What is her?
Her is a pronoun.
Her is a pronoun. Her is a pronoun. Is there any noun in this sentence? Is there any preposition in this sentence? Is there any conjunction in this sentence?
No, ma'am.
But still we can make a sentence.
No.
Still we can make a sentence. Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. What is Rama?
Rama is
Noun.
Because it's a name.
Noun.
Verb.
Noun.
What is killed?
Noun.
What is killed?
Or a
Verb,
verb.
verb.
Wow.
What is Ravana? What is Ravana?
Noun.
Noun.
Now, is there any pronoun? Is there any pronoun in this sentence? No. Is there any preposition in this
No.
sentence? No. But
No.
still we can frame a sentence. Why? What one thing is common between these two sentences?
Verb.
Verb. Verb is common between these two sentences. So that's why I'm saying, my dear students, without verb, you cannot frame a sentence.
Understood, ma'am. Without verb, we cannot make the sentence.
Without verb, we cannot make a sentence.
Sentence. Understood.
ठीक है? Right?
ठीक.
अच्छा, एक sentence लिखो जरा एक sentence. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What is a verb in this sentence? Is this a sentence? Is this a sentence?
Yeah, ma'am.
This is a sentence. What is a verb in this sentence?
Beautiful.
Beautiful day.
Okay, write
No.
down one topic. Write down one topic. Parts of speech.
Adjective also.
Parts of speech. My dear students, the time has come that I have to discuss the parts of speech. Although I think so that is very simple topic, but still you should have a good knowledge of parts of speech. Because beautiful is not a verb,
Yes, it's an adjective.
it's an
Adjective.
adjective. What is a verb in this sentence?
What?
Yes, Anuradha?
What?
What? No.
No.
No verb. In this sentence, there is no verb. What
But
a
as you said,
beautiful
we
day.
cannot make
No
any
verb.
sentence without verb. That's why I did.
But the question is that we cannot frame, even Anuradha, I read this sentence last night. So then it came into my mind, कि we always say कि without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. But if this sentence is coming in front of us, what a beautiful day. तो इस sentence में तो कोई verb ही नहीं है. तो वो हमारा जो हम statement है, without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. ये तो contradict कर गया ना हमारी बात को. But इस sentence को अगर Amrita, there is some noise. Amrita, please mute, dear.
This is an
Okay,
implementary
Sabita.
sentence.
हाँ, but अगर इस sentence को आप elaborate करते हैं तो ये exact sentence पता क्या बनता है? What a beautiful day, comma, it is.
Yes.
What a beautiful day, comma, it is. So यहाँ पर is जो है वो verb आ गया. वो verb आ गया. ठीक है? तो without verb you cannot frame a sentence. Right?
Right.
What a
Right.
lovely weather. What a lovely weather. हम बोल देते हैं what a lovely weather. कहाँ है इसके अंदर verb? नहीं है verb. Verb है it is.
Teach.
इसके साथ हम लगा देते हैं it is. So is a verb. So verb is the most important part of speech. यहाँ तक clear? Now the question is that अभी तक हमने whatever we have learned, without verb we cannot frame a sentence. Without verb we cannot frame a sentence. Is there anything happen into your personality or any other कि if you are not able to frame the sentence, then what will happen? हमें verb नहीं पता, हम sentence नहीं बना पाएंगे. यहाँ तक clear है. क्या होगा अगर मैं sentence नहीं बना पाऊंगी तो?
We cannot communicate our.
Yes, we cannot communicate. We cannot communicate. We are not able to talk with each other. We are not able to express our feelings. We are not able to express our ideas. देखो guys, why we have joined this IDQ? What is the main objective to become a fluent speaker? हम बोलते हैं हमेशा, ma'am, why we have joined this? If I ask with anyone, why you have joined this IDQ? To become a fluent speaker. Speaker के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? Speaker के लिए first you need to speak. और speaking हम कैसे करते हैं? In the form of letters? In the form of letters? Do we speak in the form of letters?
No.
No, we don't
Sentence.
speak in letters. Do we speak in words?
No.
No.
No, we don't speak in words. Do we speak in sentences?
Yes, we speak
Yes.
in
Yes,
we
ma'am,
speak in
sentence.
sentences. We speak in sentences. So that's why we should have the good knowledge of the verbs so that we can make the sentences. And trust me, guys, if we know how to make the sentences, we can easily speak the sentences. अभी प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रहा है कि हम sentences को ही फ्रेम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. बस
Correct.
एक तो जो
Yes.
verbs है उन्हीं से हम अपना काम चला लेते हैं. ठीक है? क्या बात है भाई, आज काफी स्टूडेंट्स ने काफी लेट ज्वाइन करा है. हिमानी, अमृता, सुशील,
एक्चुअली मैं बच्चों को मैं कोचिंग से लेने गई थी, मैं लेट हो गई, मैं ऑन द वे थी.
ठीक है. ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है, चलो.
मैम प्लीज वेडनेसडे को क्लास मत लिया करो मैम, थोड़ा मेरे बिजी शेड्यूल है.
वेडनेसडे को तो क्लास है ही नहीं गाइस. अभी सब क्या हो रहा है, वर्कशॉप की वजह से थोड़ा सा इधर उधर करना पड़ रहा है. वेडनेसडे को वी डोंट हैव एनी क्लास, क्योंकि अभी तुम लोगों का न्यूरो साइंस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और वेडनेसडे को ही. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस. वो तो अभी वो वाला हाल हो रहा है ना, जब जहां मौका मिल जाए. वो 3 इडियट्स का वो एक डायलॉग है ना, जब जहां से ज्ञान प्राप्त हो रहा है ले लो. ऐसे ही मेरा हाल हो रहा है, जब जो स्लॉट फ्री हो रहा है ग्रामर का क्लास ले लो, अदरवाइज इट बिकम्स वेरी टफ. चलो स्टार्ट. Now let's discuss with the help of this pictorial representation. Suppose this is a bridge and they are the supporters of the bridge. What will happen if there is no support?
It will collapse.
Collapse. Bridge is
It will
collapse.
collapse. Same goes with the sentence. What are the supporters of the sentence? What are the some noise is there? What are the supporters of the sentence? Verbs are the supporters
Verbs.
of the sentence.
No meaning without verb, no meaning of sentence, ma'am.
Yes, without verb, no sentence. For
Yeah.
example, let's see, you know him. Have you met with sir? Have you met with KK Mandal sir? Okay, okay.
No.
No, not yet, ma'am.
Soon you will get one lecture from the KK Mandal sir, right? So if you see, I'm just taking the sir's picture. Suppose there is no soul in our body. Suppose there is no soul in our body. What will happen?
Dead.
Body will
Body will
collapse.
collapse.
The
Lifeless.
body will
Life-
collapse. Same goes with the sentence. If there is no verb, no sentence.
No sentence.
No verb, no sentence. Right verb, right sentence. Wrong verb, wrong sentence. तो आज हमारा मतलब फोकस किसके ऊपर है? सारा फोकस किसके ऊपर है?
Verb.
War family.
Verbs के ऊपर.
War family.
Now, what is the neural path of the verb forms? You already know what is the neural path of the verb forms. Neural means क्या होता है? What do you mean by neural?
Brain.
Brain. Very good. That is related with our
Not
brain.
related to
So
love.
neural का मतलब है that is related with our brain. It means our brain has already been stimulated with this word verb. Because since childhood we are listening this word verb, verb, verb. बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं verb, verb, verb. So हमारा जो brain है उसके according stimulate हो चुका है. अब वो क्या stimulate हुआ है कि every verb has the 3 forms: present form, past form and the past participle.
Past participle.
ठीक है? You can also say verb का first form, verb का second form, verb का third form. But grammatically we have to assign some names, so we have assigned present form, past form and the past participle. Suppose this is a verb do. Sabita. Sabita, what is the past form and past participle form of do?
Do, did, done.
Do, did, done.
Correct.
Very good.
Correct.
Do, did, done. Very nice. Succeed. Succeed. Priyamda.
Succeed, succeed, succeed.
Same.
Succeeded.
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 95% cases में ED.
ED.
Surangana.
Cook.
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 Cook. Cooked or cooked.
Very good. Cook. Cook.
Very good.
Go.
Cook.
Go, went, go.
Go, went.
Gone.
Go, went.
Went. Gone.
Go, went, gone. So what is our neural path of the verb form? Every form has the 3 forms: present form, past form and the past participle. Past participle form. But my dear students, you are not here to learn this only the 3 forms of the verbs. The 3 forms of the verbs you already know. हर एक verb का 3 forms होता है. Present form होता है, past form होता है और past participle होता है. right? But still we know the three forms of the verbs, but still we are struggling in framing the sentences. So it means there are some more verbs which we should have the good knowledge. Sushil, I have muted you because some noise is coming from your end. Done? So now what is the remake of the neural forms? We will discuss this thing with the help of the verb family. We will discuss this thing with the help of the verb family. Guys, I'm taking this part a little bit faster because we already discussed in our workshop. Okay.
Of course, ma'am, but please share the PDF. Please share the recording class.
नहीं recording PDF I will definitely share.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा speed little bit faster है. अगर problem लगता है तो मुझे बता देना. ठीक है? So now we will discuss this thing with the help of the pictorial representation. Now suppose we all have the lovely family. Same goes with the verb. Verb also has a family. And in the verb family, there is a beautiful lady. And the lady name in IDQ we assigned mother verb. You can also say the base verb or the root verb. So now she's a mother. She's a mother. So she delivers the kids. So in the first delivery, she delivers twins.
Present form 2.
In the
Past form.
second, past
Past
form.
form. Yeah.
Third,
Past
present participle.
Past participle.
Past participle. And in the fifth and last delivery, infinite.
Infinitive form.
Infinite form.
Infinite
Okay.
form.
So these are total 7 forms of the verbs. कितने forms हैं verbs के? 7 forms. Mother verb, present form 1, present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle, and infinite. So there are total 7 forms of the verbs. Okay. Now we are going to take one example. And guys, please listen this example very carefully because after that you have to make this chart. Now, suppose I am taking this verb do. How to make the present form 1? Please, please note down. I really appreciate everyone. Please be on mute. After that, I will give the chance to each and every. Okay. Now, how to make the present form 1? Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb.
Yes.
So do का present form 1 क्या हुआ? Do. How to make the present form 2? How to make the present form 2? Does. I hope the whiteboard is visible. Now how to make the present form 2? Mother verb plus S oblique ES plus IES. This is a rule to make the present form 2. Clear यहाँ तक? अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि where we have to put S, where we have to put ES, where we have to put IES. Okay? Where we have to put ES, the verbs that ends with O, किस के साथ? O के साथ end होता है, CH के साथ end होता है, X के साथ end होता है, S के साथ end होता है. Any all words are coming? ठीक है, Z के साथ end होता है. So if the words ends with these letters, if the ends with these letters, so we always put add ES. We always put add ES. ठीक है, जैसे go है, go का क्या बन जाएगा present form 2?
Goes.
Goes. Fix. F-I-X.
Goes.
Fix. Fixes. ठीक है, so in this way. Fixes. Now where we have to put add IES. IES हमें कहाँ add करना है? IES हमें कहाँ add करना है? Suppose this is a verb. Suppose this is a verb play. Play is a verb. If the verb ends with Y, if the verb ends with Y. So what we have to do, we have to remove Y. We have to remove Y and add. अच्छा नहीं,
Yes.
दूसरा लेते हैं, sorry,
Try.
दूसरा लेते हैं,
Try.
try. Suppose this is a verb try. So in
I.
that case,
Try.
we have to remove Y and add IES. तो try का present form 2 क्या हो जाएगा?
Tries.
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 Cry का क्या हो जाएगा? Cry का?
Tries.
Cries.
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 Cries. अगर
Cries.
suppose करो
Cries.
verb आता है play. Play. तो according to the rule, what should be the present form 2?
Plays.
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 स्पेलिंग क्या बननी चाहिए थी? PLAIES. क्योंकि रूल क्या कहता है? जैसे ही
Plays.
वर्ब जो है वो Y से एंड होगा, Y रिमूव करके आपको IES लगा देना है। ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है। वो ट्विस्ट क्या है? अगर Y से पहले if before Y any vowel is there, if before Y any vowel is there, so then you cannot apply this rule. You can simply put S. And if there is a consonant, see in this example, if there is any consonant before Y, so then you have to remove Y and add IES. यहाँ तक clear? Clear, Sampi? Sampi? अच्छा जरा इसका बताओ Sampi. There is a verb enjoy. Present form 2 क्या होगा इसका?
Enjoy.
Spelling बोलो.
YS.
YS. ENGOYS. Why? Because a vowel is coming. Vowel is coming before Y. Vowel is coming before Y. Okay? And rest of the verbs. इसके अलावा जो भी verbs आपकी बचती है, उन सब के साथ you have to put S. You have to put S. अमृता जितना सीरियस क्यों हो गई? हाँ?
No, ma'am, I'm fine. Actually, ma'am, I'm suffering from cold and fever.
अच्छा, cold and fever. अच्छा,
That's why.
Okay, 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 okay. ठीक है, done. So present form 2 क्या हो गया? Does. What is past form, Reena? What is past form of do?
Did.
Did. Now how to make the present participle? Write down. Mother verb plus ing.
ING.
Mother
Doing.
verb plus ing. Yes, doing.
Doing.
What is past participle? Verb का third
Done.
form क्या होता है? Done.
Done. Done.
What is infinite form?
To do.
To do.
To mother verb. To mother verb.
Do.
To mother.
Mother verb.
To do. To do. To do. Anil, Biswajita, Dheeraj, are you getting this concept? Just show me the virtual thumbs up. So this is the complete chart of the verb family do. Do. Okay. Right. Up now, guys, just click on the chat option or choose any single verb. कोई भी एक verb choose करो and just try to make one sentence and write in the chat box. सारा सिर्फ लिसनिंग नहीं करना ना, थोड़ा सा लिखना भी है। मेरे को तो कभी कभार ऐसी फील आती है जैसे गुरुकुल सिस्टम में नहीं होता, वो गुरुजी आते हैं, बैठ जाते हैं, शिष्य बैठ जाते हैं, बस उसको सुनते रहते हैं, वैसा सा फील लगता है कभी कभार। तो थोड़ा सा लिखो, कोई भी एक वर्ब, चूज एनी सिंगल वर्ब एंड जस्ट मेक एनी सेंटेंस, जस्ट ट्राई। ओके, आई रिसीव वन सेंटेंस, आई एम डूइंग वर्क, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सुरंगना प्लीज म्यूट। हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड अनिल। समीर, हैव क्या लिखा है आपने?
नहीं, हैव को मैं लेता हूँ ना, मैं हैव से वर्ब, मदर वर्ब हैव।
नहीं, मदर वर्ब हैव की बात ही नहीं कर रहे समीर, हमारे को क्या करना है, यू हैव टू चूज एनी वर्ब फ्रॉम द डू फैमिली।
ओके,
एनी वर्ब फ्रॉम द डू फैमिली एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक वन सेंटेंस।
ओके, ओके, आई नो।
I have to do work. Very good, Sushil. I have to do work. सुरंगना राइटिंग नहीं आएगा. I did my work so fast. Very good, Anuradha. I did my all work very carefully. Very good. I have done my work. Very good. Completed नहीं, completed have नहीं यूज करना, सिर्फ do work. रीना, do work. I have
Okay, oh yes,
done.
ma'am, yes.
हाँ, I have done this work right now. Just now. समीर, right now की जगह कर दो just now.
Noted, ma'am.
हाँ, विश्वजिता, you have to put one verb. I done my work नहीं लिखो. I do my work लिखो. I do my work. He does not play. Very good, Shushir. You must have to do your job carefully. Okay. I do my work. I do my work. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah, although we will discuss all these things ki where we have to use present participle and I am doing class now. Very good. I do my assignment carefully. Very good. Chalo. Next. Okay. The next verb is succeed. The next verb, hooray, I did it. Very good. Yes, I did. Very good. I did that work yesterday. Very good. Okay, now the next verb is succeed. Succeed. Reena, complete this chart.
Succeed, ma'am, that is mother verb. Succeed
Succeed.
and succeeds, and then succeeded and succeeding, succeeded, and again to succeed.
To succeed. To succeed. To succeed. Okay, done. Next. Sameer. Sameer, this is for you. Water.
Water, present form first water, present form two waters, past form waters,
Watered. Ed.
water, sorry, watered, ed, watered, watering, present participle watering, past participle watered, ed, and infinitive to water.
Two water. Two water.
Plus mother, two mother verb.
Two water. Just make write one sentence of two water. Just make one sentence of water. Do you play cricket? Very good. Very good, Shurangna. I water plants every day. Very good. I am watering the plants. Very good. I am drinking water. Biswajita, this is sentence is right. But in this sentence, you have to use water as a noun. You have to use water as a verb. Water as a verb कब use होगा? जब वो subject के बाद आएगा. जब वो subject के बाद आता है तो वो verb का काम करता है. I am water the plant नहीं.
नहीं, sorry, मैं watering हुआ मैम.
I am
Clerical mistake,
watering
watering the plant.
I am
Clerical
watering the
mistake
plant.
होता है. Understood.
वसीम, लिखो भाई एक sentence. संपी, I am watering. सविता, हाँ, watering की spelling देखो. He के साथ भी use करो. श्वेता watered the plants. क्या लिखा है? Yesterday. अच्छा, watered the plants yesterday.
Yesterday, ma'am.
Yes.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. ठीक है. Okay, done. ठीक है. Just try ना. Acha, I succeeded in my current project. Very good. I have to drink water. So, Wasim, again, this is a wrong sentence. I have to drink water में आपने water as a noun की तरह use करा है. आपको use करना है as a verb. Waters are coming from high range. Priyamdra, again it is wrong. यहाँ पर water जो है आपने as a subject की तरह use कर दिया. अगर subject की तरह use होता है, so it means it consider as a noun.
Okay.
Guys, please note down this topic, parts of speech, and please let me know, please remind me in the next class. मैं next class में next topic नहीं start करूँगी. We will discuss the parts of speech. Maybe after the verb family, एक बार ये खत्म हो जाए, so then I will discuss the parts of speech because this is very important. क्योंकि अभी parts of speech में problem आ रहा है, ये नहीं समझ आ रहा verb क्या है, noun क्या है, ये कैसे निकालना है.
मैम एक सेंटेंस अभी मैंने लिखा है, प्लीज चेक इट ना कि
There is
it
no
is true.
need to water the plants in rainy. Absolutely right. Very nice. Beautiful sentence. To water. Befriend. Sabita. Sabita, this is for you. Be friend. Sabita, your voice is not coming.
Now? Hello? Now coming?
Sabita?
Yes, ma'am.
Sabita, your voice is not coming, dear. And anyone can hear Sabita?
No, I'm not getting a word.
Sabita, your voice is not coming. Okay, Himani. Yes, Samir, it's absolutely right. Himani, be friend. अरे ट्राई करने से पहले ही ऐसे 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 कर दिया. हाँ
in this chart, then present, past, मैं इसमें confused हो जाती
हाँ तो और क्या फिर क्या किस लिए बैठे हैं हम यहाँ पर?
हूँ। मैम इसमें हो जाती है, मैम ऐसे पूछोगे मैं बता दूंगी, मैं इसमें बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाती है. इनफाइनाइट पास्ट, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल प्रेजेंट. मतलब अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस पूछोगे तो मैं बहुत इजी.
अच्छा चलो हम पूछ लेते हैं. व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट? अच्छा व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म?
Which मैम बी फ्रेंड, व्हाट इज मीन बी फ्रेंड मींस?
बी फ्रेंड का मतलब होता है दिस इज अ वर्ब. दिस इज अ वर्ब. इसका मतलब होता है दोस्ती करना.
ओके.
दोस्ती करना. और इसका नाउन होता है फ्रेंड. दोस्त. दोस्त. फ्रेंड. फ्रेंड इज अ नाउन. फ्रेंड इज अ नाउन. इसका फ्रेंड का आपने वर्ब कैसे बना दिया? जस्ट बाय पुटिंग BEB. सो बी फ्रेंड इज अ वर्ब. बी फ्रेंड इज अ वर्ब. चलो बताओ प्रेजेंट फॉर्म 1 क्या हुआ? एग्जैक्टली द कार्बन कॉपी ऑफ द मदर वर्ब.
Be friend.
Be
Be
friend.
friend.
Be friend.
Okay. What is present form 2?
Be
Be
friends.
friends.
Be friends.
S. We had S here.
Be friend.
Befriended.
Be friends. Be friends. What is
Be
past form?
friends.
Befriended.
Befriended.
Be
Befriended. What is present
will add
participle?
Befriending.
Be friends.
Befriending.
Befriending.
Befriending. What is past participle?
Befriended.
Befriended. Again.
Befriending.
Can we befriend? Okay. Befriended. And infinite form is?
To be
To
friend.
be friend.
To befriend.
To be
To
friend.
befriend.
Yes.
To befriend. Can
Befriending.
we befriend? Can we befriend? Friend. Okay. क्या हम दोस्ती कर सकते हैं? मैम कैन आई रीजॉइन? अच्छा हाँ यस सविता. आई थॉट कि ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है. यस सविता. यस यस श्योर डियर. यू जस्ट लीव द सेशन एंड रीजॉइन. Befriending. Very good, Biswajita. So befriending, befriend is a verb. It means दोस्ती करना. दोस्ती करना. दोस्ती करना. वसीम जरा इसकी इंग्लिश बनाना. दुश्मनी भुला दो और दोस्ती कर लो. वसीम आज ही क्लास में बोलना है आंसर. इतना लंबा पॉज.
Ma'am, I am on.
हाँ. दुश्मनी भुला दो और दोस्ती कर लो. दुश्मनी भुला दो. भुलाने की इंग्लिश क्या होती है?
Just forget enmity and be friend.
हाँ simple. Forget. Forgive the enemies and be friends with each other. Forget the enemies या forgive the enemies and be friends with each other. Sabita and me befriending. सुरंगना एक तो ये भी बताऊंगी. ये यहाँ पर ना सबिता एंड मी नहीं आना चाहिए था. यहाँ पर सुरंगना ये गलती है. ये बताऊंगी कि क्या गलती है. आई लाइक टू बी फ्रेंड. किससे? किसका? किसका?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ सब समीर
I like to
आई
be
लाइक टू बी
friend.
फ्रेंड. किसका?
Yes.
आई लाइक टू बी फ्रेंड विद हर.
Oh.
Okay. Right, ma'am.
ठीक है. एंड सुरंगना आपने लिखा है ना सबिता एंड मी. सबिता एंड मी कभी नहीं लिखते. सबिता एंड आई लिखते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डिड डू दिस मिस्टेक. My friend and me are going for shopping. This
Okay.
is absolutely wrong. My friend and I are going for shopping.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे? इसकी इंग्लिश बनाओ जरा. क्या
Oh.
अमृता क्या मुझसे
Okay,
दोस्ती करोगे?
Would you be my friend? Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ
I
बोलो
was not
बोलो
supposed to
बोलो
say.
बोलो
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो, कोई भी बोलो, क्या मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
Good.
क्या मुझसे दोस्ती
be my-
करोगे? Will you be
Will you be
friend
my
of mine? Very nice, Priyamdana.
Can you
Priyamda,
be
very nice.
friending
But
with
dear,
me?
but dear, what the mistake you have done? There is no
Will
space
you?
between be and friend. There should not be a space between be and friend. That should be the considered as one sentence. So,
mistake
will
it
you
has
be friend of mine? Will you be friend of mine? I feel like being be friend with you. Very nice, Sameer. Very nice. Can we be friend? Can we be friend? Very good. Very good. ठीक है, अभी हम सारा करेंगे टेंसेस पे. चलो, have. This is a verb, have. Sushil.
I have a car.
नहीं, first complete this chart. Have,
Okay. Have. Has. Had. Having.
past participle,
Had.
had,
To have.
to have. Very nice, very nice. 33 क्या लिखा है ये प्रेमदा?
sorry, by mistake. Sorry. By mistake, it's keyboard is because I'm
Achha.
writing on
Okay. Now have. This is a word have. Very important family have. Now guys, have is a word that can be acts as a main verb also, that can be acts as a helping verb also. एक helping verb की तरह भी काम कर सकता है और एक main verb की तरह भी काम कर सकता है. Helping verb का मतलब होता है जब ये किसी main verb के साथ आएगा, और मेन वर्ब का मतलब होता है जब ये अकेला आएगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव 2 पेन्स. आई हैव 2 पेन्स. In this case, have acts as a main verb. But if I'm saying I have completed my work, so in this sentence, have is considered as an helping verb. Helping verb. So just make one sentence. I am having my dinner. Okay. You and I can
Ma'am,
have this
repeat it.
beautiful picture. Yes, Anuradha?
Ma'am, can you repeat whatever you just told before? I am just writing something.
Because after that, you have to publish one book on the grammar. Simple logic is that have is a word that can be acts as a main verb also, that can be acts as an helping verb also. मेन वर्ब का मतलब हुआ, जैसे सपोज करो हम विश्वजीता का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. आई हैड माय लंच. सिंगल वर्ब आ रहा है, सो देन इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ मेन वर्ब. बट इफ आई एम टेकिंग द any one example which has used as a helping verb, I'm just taking the examples from yours batch also. सबने अच्छा, अनुराधा is a helping verb का example हो गया. The students have completed their work. The students have completed their work. यहाँ पर complete is a main verb and have is a helping. I had to make this project in time to avoid delay. Okay, very good.
I had a nice conversation with you.
Yes, Sushil. I had completed my breakfast. Very good. I have taken my lunch. Very good. I had completed the work. I have a car. Very good. Sushil had a nice conversation with you. Very nice. Very nice, Sushil. Do you have an English grammar book? Okay, very nice. Very nice. We don't have any pay for this food. We don't have any pay. We don't have money for this food. Don't you think so? Sampi, this is more appropriate here. I have a car. Okay. Had my food before going for job. Okay. I have received. Sabita, I have received. I have received.
I have
Okay,
received.
cook. Very simple. Cook. Savita, your voice is coming. Cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Cook. Cook. Just complete this chart. Cook.
Cook.
Hmm.
Cook. 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 And cooking. Cook. To cook.
To cook. Very good. Very good. So this is very simple. I'm not taking so much time. Eat. Eat. Anuradha, eat. Complete this chart. Eat.
Eat, eats,
Hmm.
eaten, eating, eaten, to eat.
Eating, eaten, to eat. Guys, अब यहाँ पर देखना, यहाँ पर past form और past participle forms are changed, are different from the present form. Eat, ate, eaten. So these types of forms are called the irregular forms that you should know. That you should know. Otherwise, it is very simple just by putting ed. Like for example, चलो कुछ verbs लिखते हैं, practice करते हैं कुछ verbs की. लिखो जरा पहले. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. लिखो some verbs. Fly. Sameer, I don't know where. Sameer, please mute. I don't know where the noise is coming. Likho fly. The first verb is fly. F-L-Y. Write down the second verb. Grow. G-R-O-W. G-R-O-W. Next word. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Next verb. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Next word. Swim. S-W-I-M. Next word.
Will you repeat once again, ma'am?
It randomly comes into my mind. Can anyone repeat? Can anyone repeat to Priyamta?
Yes,
Learn.
ma'am. Grow, catch,
Fly.
learn, swim.
Learn, swim. Fly, learn, swim.
Swim, swim,
Swim.
catch,
Okay.
learn, buy, B-U-Y, buy, bring, B-R-I-N-G, bring, come, C-O-M-E, come, how many verbs?
9.
9.
I have only 7.
In eight,
Eight.
eight total.
8 हुआ है.
Eight, ma'am.
ठीक
Yeah.
है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Fly, grow, catch, learn, swim, buy, bring, come.
हम 9.
Bring.
ठीक है.
B-R-A-N-G. Bring up.
8.
ठीक है. अभी these comes are in my mind. ठीक है. चलो, one by one. Okay. Please maintain the decorum of the session. One by one. And to whom I'm calling, just write all the 3 forms of the verbs. Only the 3 forms of the verbs in the chat box. And everyone, please have a look on the chat box. Okay, the 3 forms of the verb. Let's start with Wasim. Wasim, be active.
Yes, sir.
Quickly write all the 3 forms of the verb learn. Learn. Chat box में लिखना Wasim. Reena.
Yes, ma'am.
Learn,
Which word?
learning. Wasim, the 3 forms of the verbs का मतलब है present form 1, past form and the past participle. Present form 1, past form and the past participle.
Ma'am, which word for me?
Learn, same verb. Learn.
Learn. I have to write or I have to speak?
हाँ, चलो अच्छा चलो बोलो.
Learn, learned or learned both is applicable, and again learn. L-E-A-R-N-T.
Yes, learn, learned, learned.
Learned. Yes.
L-E-A-R-N-T. Learned.
N-T. Yes.
Learned. Learned.
Yeah.
ठीक है, that you should know, that you should know. सुरंगना, 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 मतलब बाय गॉड लिखने में कितना डूब गई है वो. सुरंगना,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सुरंगना,
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
हाँ, one verb for fly,
हाँ,
fly,
yes, ma'am.
fly, FLY, fly,
हाँ. Yes, yes, ma'am.
FLY, 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 fly.
Fly. Flies. Flies.
फ्लाई का सिर्फ मेरे को 3
First-
फॉर्म्स बताओ अभी. फ्लाई,
Flies.
पास्ट फॉर्म क्या होता है फ्लाई का? व्हाट इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लाई?
Hello, ma'am.
Fly.
Flies. Flied.
Not fly.
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 Flied.
सबिता?
Flied.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सबिता आप बोलो.
Flied.
Fly,
let us speak. Yes, सबिता. Fly.
Flied.
नहीं, fly, flight, flight नहीं होता.
fly,
Flew,
flew, flown.
Flown.
Yes, लिखो भाई जिसको नहीं पता. Fly,
Fly,
flew,
flew,
flown.
flown.
Fly,
sorry.
flew, flown.
Fly ही रहेगा, ma'am.
नहीं, fly नहीं रहेगा. Fly, flew, flown.
Fly. Yes, ma'am.
fly नहीं
Fly,
होगा.
flew.
सुरंगना, मैं इस पे लिख रही हूँ चैट बॉक्स में.
अच्छा, flew.
हाँ, fly,
Flown. Okay.
flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Sampi.
Ma'am,
Okay.
हाँ, रीना बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I have written all the verb forms of all the words you have given. So,
Yes,
can I
yes,
post or I have to wait?
You want to?
Can I message means can I post all the verb
हाँ, तुम
forms
लिख दो.
which I have attempted?
Meanwhile, Reena, you write in the chat box.
Okay.
box.
I have
it
written.
would be-
Can I send?
नहीं, सुनने में ना समझ नहीं आ रहा. Actually में ना some students are getting the problem. So that's why it's better you write all the verbs
Ma'am,
in the
I'm
chat
asking,
box.
I have attempted all the verbs you have given right now. So can I send all the verb forms or shall I wait for
No,
all
no,
to
I'm
attempt?
saying you just write all the verb forms in the chat box.
I have
It-
written, ma'am.
कहाँ लिखा है आपने? In the chat box.
Just I'm asking, I'm
So I'm
wanting
saying now
information.
you write in the chat box. It would be easier for someone who doesn't know the verb form.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Okay.
please.
And
Okay,
please
okay.
check once
Now,
it
guys,
is-
Reena
it
has
is correct.
written. Reena has written all the verb forms. So quickly we recapitulate. Fly, flew, flown. Just repeat. Speak. Fly, flew, flown. Second is
Fly, flew, flown. Grow,
grow, grew, grown.
grew, grown.
Grown. Catch,
Catch,
caught.
Caught.
सबसे ज्यादा
Learn.
मिस्टेक होती है कैच में बना दे तो कैच्ड नहीं होता. कैच, caught.
Grown.
Learn,
learned.
learnt.
Swim, swam.
Swan.
Swim, swam,
Buy.
swam.
Caught.
Buy,
Bought.
Buy, bought.
Drink,
Learn.
Drink, drank, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. मैंने पानी पिया. I drank the water. Past tense आपको
Bring,
use करना
brought.
पड़ेगा.
Brought.
Come, came, come. Come, came, come. Bring, brought. Bring, brought. Thanks, Reena. Thanks, dear.
Welcome, ma'am.
Chalo.
No need to
next.
thanks. I'm
Brought.
just made an effort.
Now, the exception verb we are going to discuss. What is an exception verb? The exception verb is a be verb. Exception verb is a be verb because this is the only verb in the entire English grammar which has a 9 forms. And second thing is that why it is called the exception, because its present form one doesn't match with the be. Sorry, but doesn't match with the mother verb. Yes, doesn't match with the mother. And this is the most important verb because this is the only verb which we can use in our
daily
tenses also, which we can use in our passive voice also. ये जो वर्ब है आपका सारे टेंसेस में सिर्फ यही वर्ब यूज होता है. ये जो वर्ब है ये आपके पैसिव वॉइस में भी यूज होता है. ये जो वर्ब है आपका एज अ मेन वर्ब भी यूज होता है. ये जो वर्ब है ये आपका एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी यूज होता है. So this is a very, very important verb. And when we are doing start the tenses, so we will get in detail. Okay. So what is the remake of the neural path? Every verb has a 7 forms. Okay, next. The word is surpass. The word is surpass. Sampi.
Surpass. Surpass. Surpasses. Surpassed.
Surpassed. Surpassed.
Surpassing.
Passing.
Surpassing.
And
Again, the past.
Surpassed.
To surpass.
and
To surpass.
To surpass. To surpass. Surpass का मतलब होता है to lead excel. To lead excel. आगे बढ़ जाना. To lead excel. Reena, malfunction.
But ma'am,
Malfunction.
malfunction, malfunctions, malfunction, again functioning, and then malfunction and to malfunction.
To malfunction. What is the meaning of malfunction?
Means not working properly.
Not working properly. Malfunction का मतलब होता है to not working properly. Not working properly. Suppose if I'm asking, Amrita, why you are getting late in today's session? And Amrita is saying, ma'am, मेरा ना mixer juicer काम नहीं कर रहा था. तो अमृता इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बनाओगे आप?
Ma'am, my mixer juicer was not. My mixer juicer was malfunctioning.
Yes, my mixer juicer was malfunctioning. Because not जो है इसके अंदर already है. Mal का मतलब not है. Mal का मतलब negative form है not. That is not functioning properly. That is called the malfunction. So my mixer juicer was malfunctioning. My mixer juicer was malfunctioning. Samir, can you try one sentence? Samir?
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday my machine is malfunctioned.
Yesterday
my machine was malfunctioned.
My malfunctioning. Okay. Great. Anuradha, I'm giving you one sentence in Hindi. Just try to translate into English. CBSE 12th क्लास का रिजल्ट डिले हो गया क्योंकि CBSE के कंप्यूटर सही ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहे थे.
Because of malfunctioning of CBSE's computer results
रिजल्ट डिले हो गया था. क्या बनाऊंगी इंग्लिश?
Results got delayed. CBSE's results got delayed because of
malfunctioning of the computer. Very good, guys. इसका इंग्लिश बनेगा CBSE result got delayed. Was delayed नहीं बोलोगे. हम क्या करते हैं, हर एक उसमें was लगा देते. जैसे हमने सुना ना, past tense की बात होगी तो हम उसमें was लगा देते. No, ऐसे sentences में always use the get. When we are talking about the past, तो get का got हो जाएगा. तो CBSE results got delayed due to the malfunction of the computers. Due to the malfunction of the computers. Okay, malfunction. Yes, eavesdrop. Amrita, eavesdrop. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Eavesdrop, eavesdrops, eavesdropped, eavesdropping, eavesdrop, to eavesdrop.
What is the meaning of eavesdrop?
To listen someone being
talk secretly. Yes, to listen someone's talk secretly. To listen
छिप कर बात सुनना.
हाँ, छुप कर बातें सुनना, छुप के बातें सुनना. अगर सपोज करो समीर, आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, वो छुप के बातें सुनता है, तो उसको तुम क्या कह सकते हो? इंग्लिश में क्या बोलोगे उसको? You are
a eavesdropper.
Very good. You are a eavesdropper. You are a eavesdropper. Dropper. You are a
eavesdropper.
ठीक है? You are a eavesdropper. Don't become a eavesdropper. Don't become eavesdropper. Eavesdropper बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't become an eavesdropper. ठीक है। सुशील, सुशील, चोरी छुपे किसी की बातें सुनना बुरी बात है।
Eavesdropping is a habit.
Eavesdrops is bad habit.
Eavesdropping, eavesdropping is a bad habit.
Eavesdropping bad habit.
Eavesdropping is a bad habit.
Bad habit.
हमें किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना नहीं चाहिए।
Actually,
We should not
We should
eavesdrop.
not eavesdrop.
Not eavesdrop.
We should not
Not
eavesdrop
eavesdrop
others.
others.
We should not eavesdrop others.
Other.
Fail. Simple verb है fail.
Fail, fails,
हाँ,
failed, failing, failed, to fail.
to fail. ठीक है. I'm not.
Fail.
Ill treat. Priyamda, ill treat.
Ill treat, present form, ill treat, present form 2, ill treats, present past form, ill treated, present participles,
Ill treated.
अरे अरे भाई.
past participles, ill treated, infinite form 2, ill treated.
To ill treat. To ill treat. Surangta, what is the meaning of ill treat?
To behave badly.
हाँ, to
Misconduct.
behave, हाँ, to behave
Misconduct.
badly. हाँ,
Misconduct.
misconduct.
Yeah.
To behave badly. To behave badly. The next word is
behave badly.
हाँ. The next
Ill
word
treat
is
to
beseech.
each other. हाँ.
हाँ,
Ill treat to
beseech.
any other. हाँ.
Yes, beseech, beseech. Anil, would you like to try beseech? Okay, I think Anil is not there. Wasim, Anil, are you there?
Madam, I'm outside, ma'am. I will do later. I'm just listening.
Acha, acha, you are just listening. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, beseech. Himani? Himani is saying, मुझे मत कहो, मुझे बस listener बनने दो एक.
I will
Speaker
try.
मत बनाओ मुझे.
Then beseech,
हाँ.
Beseeches.
then beseech, ed लगेगा past में,
हाँ.
ing present participle में,
अरे भाई उस word को बोलो.
then beseech, beseech, beseeches, and besieged, beseeching, besieged, and besought,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Besought भी होता है and to beseech.
And two beseech.
And to
Somebody, what is the
beseech.
meaning of beseech?
To
Somebody,
beseech.
any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Request.
To beg badly. मतलब
हाँ.
to beg.
Beseech का
ask
मतलब
something.
होता है in the form of request. In the form of request.
Pray कर.
अच्छा, very nice.
The
Amrit.
begging way.
In the
begging
begging,
way.
begging, begging. But
Begging.
begging we have to use in a formal environment. Suppose I'm talking with my friends. So then I can use the word begging. But suppose I'm talking with my boss. So I cannot use this word begging. Then in that case, I have to use this word beseech. Beseech का मतलब होता है request, but जो intense of request जो होता है, that is very high. Intense of request is very high. That is called the beseech. That is called the beseech. ठीक है?
Ma'am, can you make a sentence with beseech?
Beseech, okay. अनुराधा sentence है जैसे मैं अपने बॉस के आगे गिड़गिड़ा रही हूँ कि प्लीज मेरी सैलरी बढ़ा दो.
Okay. Try.
हाँ.
I beseech in front of
I
my boss.
am beseeching. हाँ.
Agreement.
I am beseech in front of boss. Please rise the salary, increment the salary.
हाँ. I am beseeching in front of my boss to raise the hike in my salary.
Hike the my salary.
To raise
Right.
the hike in my salary.
Beseech.
Don't beseech in front of others. किसी के आगे ज्यादा गिड़गिड़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't beseech in front of others. Right? So that is a beseech. Request form, but the intense is very high. Now the second topic is coming, how to differentiate between the mother verb and the present form one. Mother verb and the present form one. Guys, as you know, mother verb and the present form one exactly same होते हैं. Suppose this is a sentence, I cook rice. I cook rice. In this sentence, if the main verb is coming alone, if the main verb is coming alone, alone का मतलब क्या है रीना यहाँ पर?
Means, ma'am, without any auxiliary verb.
Without any auxiliary verb. Very good. Any more inputs?
Means in,
Without any verb,
present
single
first
verb,
form.
single verb.
Single verb तो आ गया. Without any helping verb. Without
हाँ, without
any
any
s. Without
helping.
any ed. Without any ing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, present form means
हाँ,
first
that
present
becomes the
form.
present
Yes.
form. That
Form.
becomes the
Yeah.
present form. one.
Present form.
If the main verb is coming alone,
Helping.
it means without any ed,
Yes.
without any es, without any ing.
Present form.
Then it
Present
becomes a
form.
present form 1. Then it becomes a present form 1. Now read this sentence. I could cook rice. I can cook rice. I shall cook rice. If you see all these
A mother verb.
sentences,
A mother verb.
why? Because
Like a helping verb is along with helping verb.
along with the supporting verb. Along with the
Supporting verb.
supporting verb.
Supporting.
If the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb, then it becomes the mother.
Mother verb.
Or you can also retain into your mind, she is a mother, she is getting older, so she always needs a support.
Support.
So mother verb always comes with the supporting.
Supporting verb.
How to differentiate between the past participle and the past? Suppose, write down one sentence. I cooked rice. I cooked rice.
Past verb. Past verb.
You cooked rice. This is a sentence. You cooked
You
rice.
would cook rice. That is the past participle.
No. No, Samir, listen, Samir. You cooked rice. If you see this sentence in which the single verb is coming alone, but that should be in the past form. That should be in the past form. Then it becomes a past verb. Single verb आना चाहिए, past form में आना चाहिए, तो वो past form हो गया. अब past participle क्या हो गया? Past participle
Yeah,
क्या हो गया?
cooked rice.
If the main verb is coming along in the past form, but that should be coming along with only these supporting verbs. Write down the supporting verbs which you can help to make the past participle. Please write down. There are only 4 supporting verbs which you can use to make the past participle. Have, has, had, will have. I again repeat, have, has, had, will have. Only these supporting verbs are coming. So the next verb should always be in the past participle. Is it clear? If only these supporting verbs are coming, have, has, had, will have, जो उसके साथ जो next verb होगा, that should be in the past participle. That should be in the past participle का मतलब that should be in the V3 form. V3 form. चलो थोड़ा सा एक टेस्ट सा हो जाए. I'm just writing some verbs. Randomly, I'm writing some verbs. So you let me know the name of that verbs. Okay? You know the 7 forms of the verbs? What is the first verb?
Yes. Mother.
Mother verb. Present form 1.
Present
Present
form,
form
present
two.
form 2.
Past form.
Present
Past
participle.
past
Past
Present
participle.
participle and infinite.
Participle.
And infinite. Okay? So now I'm randomly writing some verbs. So you please let me know this is of which type of verb. Okay, ठीक है? पहले मुझे लिखने देना सारे verbs. Okay, I have written some verbs. Okay, now one by one, one by one. Let's start with Anuradha. Anuradha, what is run? You just tell me the name of the verb.
Mother verb.
Mother verb. Okay, Reena.
Ma'am,
Reena,
it's present form two, sleeps.
what is run? What is run?
Run is ma'am mother verb.
Run is mother verb. Okay, and what is sleeps?
It's present form two.
It's present form two. How you identify its present form two?
Yes,
Because
sir.
there is S.
Yes. Okay,
S
very
in the
good, very
last,
good. Wasim, what is caught?
Past participle.
Past?
Participle.
Past participle.
Past.
Okay. Sampi, what is caught?
In past form,
Past from why?
because past form is second form is past form.
Second form is past form. Okay, okay. This is a single verb is coming that is in the second form. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Will run. Samir, what is will run?
We will run. Ma'am, mother verb.
Why?
Supporting.
Ma'am, helping verb is along with helping verb, है ना ma'am?
Along with supporting verb. Along with
Sorry.
supporting verb.
Supporting verb. Yeah,
Along
sorry
with
ma'am. Supporting.
supporting verb. So my dear students who have told ki run, जो first run hai, that is a present form one. Because along with this verb, no supporting verb has been used. Reena, is it clear? No supporting verb has been used with this run. But if you see the second verb, will run makes supporting verb use hua hai. So in that case, in this case, run becomes the mother.
Okay.
Shushil,
Okay.
Shushil, what is will have caught?
Will have got. Past participle.
Why?
Then will have got second.
Because
got.
this is a past form, and before that there's a supporting verb that is used that is called will have. So whenever you have to use have, has, had, will have, next verb always be in the past participle. Past participle. Priyamda, what is going?
Present.
Present participle.
Very good. Sabita, what is to by?
Infinite.
Infinite form. Infinite form. To by is infinite. To by is infinite. Yahan tak clear? Now write down what is infinite form. I'm just taking 5 minutes more. Infinite form. अभी तक हमारे को सारा verbs पता चल गया है. Present form क्या होता है, mother verb क्या होता है, present participle क्या होता है. But what is infinite form?
Which is to be continued in future.
It is to be,
Continued in future, which is endless.
which is endless.
Yes.
नहीं, वो तो एक सिर्फ नाम है. देखो, infinite form देखो. There are the two forms of the verbs. लिखो guys, this is very important. There are the two forms of the verbs. This is not mentioned in the PPT, but still you should know. There are the two forms of the verb. One is called the finite verb and second one is called the infinite verb. One is called the finite verb and second is called the infinite verb. This is a sentence. Okay. There are, if you read the first sentence, he loves to read novels. Can anyone tell me how many verbs in this sentence? He loves to read novels. कितने verbs हैं sentence में? Two verbs हैं. There are the two verbs. One is
Love.
Love.
and second is to read.
Read.
To read.
To read.
What are the verbs in the second sentence?
Love and to read.
Loves and to read.
To read.
What is the third sentence? love and to read.
To read.
So have you analyzed anything guys? देखो first sentence में loves हो गया, second sentence में loved हो गया, third sentence में love हो गया, लेकिन यहाँ पर to read सब में same है.
Infinite.
So
Infinite.
हाँ,
It will be not changed.
हाँ, so write down. ये कौन सा verb हो गया? Finite verb. ये कौन सा verb हो गया? Finite verb. The finite verb are those verbs which changes according to the tense, which changes according to the subject. Which changes according to the tense, which changes according to the subject. That becomes the infinite verb. Sorry, finite verb. And infinite verb कौन सा verb होता है? That will not change according to the tense, according to the subject. Now, how to make the infinite forms? How to make the infinite forms? That you know. कैसे बनाते हैं हम infinite
2
form?
plus
Two
V1.
लगाते हैं.
2 plus
2
mother
plus
verb.
V1.
2 plus
Mother
mother
verb.
verb.
Mother
2
verb.
plus mother verb. This is the structure
Yeah.
of to make the infinite verb. अब क्वेश्चन आता है, but what is the use of infinite verb? कहाँ यूज करते हैं? देखो infinite verbs हम basically yes Anil.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Infinite verbs basically we use when we talk about the purpose. When we talk about the purpose, in that case, we have to use the infinite verbs. Suppose. I'm writing 2 sentences. These are the 2 sentences. Just read it. She is coming to me to learn English. She is coming to me for learning English. Which one is right?
Both are right.
Both are right.
He is
Okay.
coming to me. He is coming to me.
अच्छा चलो टू मी हटा दो. चलो टू मी से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, चलो टू मी हटा दिया. आप बताओ.
First one is correct, I think so.
To learn
Ma'am,
English.
second one is also correct.
Second
Both-
one is also
Both
correct.
sentences
देखो,
are correct.
Yes, at the time of speaking, we use any sentence. हम कभी कभार for learning भी लगा देते हैं. Sometimes we use to learn भी लगा देते हैं. But mostly हम क्या लगाएंगे? For learning लगाते हैं. अगर आप देखो,
Yes.
एक बार सोचो, analyze करो. We always speak, she is coming to me for learning English. But dear students, this is grammatically wrong. This sentence is grammatically wrong. Whenever we talk about the purpose, guys, please. Himani, please mute. Himani. Yeah, guys, ना तुम लोग भूल जाते हो. Whenever we talk about the purpose, whenever we talk about the purpose, वह मेरे पास आ रही है. किस पर्पस के लिए आ रही है? इंग्लिश सीखने
English
के लिए आ रही है. So whenever we talk about some purpose, we always use the infinite forms. Infinite forms. She is coming to me to learn English is the appropriate, correct grammatical sentence. वह नोएडा फ्लैट खरीदने के लिए जा रही है. बनाओ जरा इसका संपी बनाओ. वह नोएडा फ्लैट खरीदने के लिए जा रही है.
She
She is
She is going to Noida
Noida
By
To buy a flat.
to buy a flat. She is going to Noida to buy a flat. Don't say she is going to Noida for buying a flat. लेकिन हम बोलते क्या हैं? हम बोलते क्या हैं? What we speak? For buying a flat.
yes, ma'am.
लेकिन to buy a flat is right.
Ma'am, we have been taught in our childhood.
हाँ, but
Sorry.
no, Amrita, this you should know. This you should know. अच्छा, एक सेंटेंस बनाओ. रीना बनाओ जरा. मैं सलून अपने बाल कटवाने जा रही हूँ.
Going to salon to
I'm
have.
going to salon to cut my
make-
hair.
To cut
make-
my hair. I'm going to salon for cutting my hair. नहीं होगा.
To cut
I'm
my hair.
going to salon to cut my hair.
ये भी कर सकते हैं मैम. I am going to start to work today. Is
I'm-
right, ma'am?
I'm going to
I am
start.
going to start to walk today.
I'm going to start to walk.
Walk, हाँ.
क्या हिंदी में क्या बनाना चाहते हो?
मैं आज सुबह घूमने के लिए शुरुआत करने जा रहा हूँ. Start.
अच्छा,
I am going to.
हाँ.
I am going to start to walk today.
नहीं, to start to walk दो नहीं आएंगे समीर. I am going to start to walk. This is not correct sentence, grammatically correct sentence. This is not right. In a one sentence, try to use one infinite verb. I am going to start walk from today. I am going to start a walk from today.
Or walk from today.
हाँ,
Right.
from today.
मैम
I
ये
see-
वाला
I see.
सेंटेंस जो आई एम गोइंग टू सलून, ये वाला सेंटेंस